The most beautiful homes aren't just well designed, they are thoughtfully guided from start to finish. When design and construction are aligned under one roof, every decision becomes clearer, calmer, and more intentional. That's the experience behind Vacation Style Living Design-Build. All custom home projects begin with good intentions. You hire an architect to design something beautiful. Then you hire a builder to make it real. But too often, somewhere between drawings and construction, communication breaks down. Budgets can shift, details can get lost, and homeowners can be left acting as the bridge between the two sets of professionals that they hired. At AV Architects and Builders, we believe you should not have to play that role. That's why we created Vacation Style Living Design-Build, a fully integrated architect-led approach where design and construction are handled by one cohesive team from start to finish. What is Vacation Style Living Design-Build? VSL Design-Build combines architecture, engineering, permitting, and construction under one roof, delivering a white-glove turnkey experience guided by precision and peace of mind. Instead of managing handoffs between firms, you work with one team, accountable for every phase of your project. This integration allows us to maintain your design integrity, protect your budget, streamline your project timeline, and ensure your home is built exactly as envisioned. What's included in VSL Design-Build? Your VSL Design-Build experience includes architectural construction drawings, structural engineering drawings, civil engineering drawings, interior plans and elevations, custom closet layouts, fixed construction cost, permits for construction, managing construction, subcontractors, material suppliers, and inspections, and collaborating with a lending institution if needed. Every detail is managed by our team so that you can stay focused on the excitement of creating your home, not the logistics of building it. This full service also includes everything that comes with our building guide, vision, and design services. And if you start with one of those services, those initial costs you paid will be rolled into the larger design-build contract. The Vacation Style Living Design-Build experience. Number 1, we begin by creating and refining your architectural plans, materials, and specifications, translating your lifestyle into a fully coordinated buildable design. Number 2, from there, our in-house team manages engineering, permitting, and construction, ensuring your project stays aligned with your goals at every step. Number 3, finally, you get to step into your finished Vacation Style Living home, designed and built for the way that you truly want to live. Who VSL Design-Build is for? VSL Design-Build is ideal for people who want a fully turnkey experience, prefer one integrated team over multiple vendors, want design integrity carried through construction, and lastly, are building in Northern Virginia. Why an integrated team matters. When design and construction are separated, small disconnects can become expensive problems. A detail drawn one way may be interpreted another. A budget assumption can unravel once construction begins. With VSL Design-Build, architects and builders collaborate from day one. Decisions are evaluated for aesthetics and function. Costs are aligned early and monitored consistently. Communication stays clear and centralized. And you're never caught in the middle because there is no middle, just a straightforward path from start to finish. A well-designed home should feel effortless living in it, and so should the process of creating it. Vacation Style Living Design-Build brings architecture and construction together, allowing your home to unfold with intention and purpose. With one team guiding every decision, the journey becomes as refined as the home itself. If you're ready for the ultimate all-in-one home building experience, consider VSL Design-Build and begin your journey today. If you're still exploring, visit our Learning Center for more insight into custom home design and construction. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest in modern home design. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!